Sets are sorted from 0 to 9 every single time in Python. Not unordered. I thought it was a coincidence at first, so I wrote up a test to try it out, and it's true. I ran it 1 million times and every single time the set came back ordered and sorted. This only occurs when you use integers from 0 to 9. As soon as an integer is greater than 9 is inserted, then any integers inserted after will not be sorted. Why is this? Also for floats it kind of sorts it but isn't right all the time, so weird. I thought they were completely unordered. Any advice on why 0 to 9 is sorted every time would be greatly appreciated. I didn't believe it at first either, so here's the code I used. You can easily run it yourself and see it's true.
Those ints hash to themselves. When you add the numbers 0 to 9 to a set, the set makes room for at least 10 numbers, actually 32, I think. So its internal array has at least the indexes 0 to 9. And because those numbers hash to themselves, they're stored in the set's internal array at their own index value. I get stored at index hash I equals I. So when you iterate it, you get them sorted. Further illustration with smaller examples. Sets start with internal size 8, and value I wants to go to index hash I %8. So if you add 0 and 8, both want to go to index 0. The one that comes first actually gets to index 0, the other has to go to some other, larger, index. Hence, if you instead add 1 and 8, then 1 wants to go to index 1 and 8 wants to go to index 0, so 8 always comes first regardless of insertion order. An example with 0 to 9.